Welcome back to Decor Like Dream, the place where ordinary spaces become something truly special. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular outdoor upgrade trends homeowners are loving right now: stamped concrete patios. Whether you're starting from scratch or refreshing an old space, this idea is a game changer. It's durable, beautiful, and surprisingly versatile. So if you've been thinking about transforming your outdoor area into something that actually impresses, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into it. So first, let's quickly cover what stamped concrete actually is. Essentially, it's regular concrete that gets textured and patterned before it fully hardens, creating the look of stone, brick, tile, or even wood at a fraction of the cost. The results are honestly stunning, and most people can't even tell it's concrete at first glance. It gives your patio a high-end custom feel without the high-end price tag. That combination of affordability and elegance is exactly why it's become such a popular choice for outdoor living spaces. When it comes to patterns, the options are wider than most people expect. Ashlar slate, cobblestone, herringbone brick, and flagstone are among the most requested looks. Each one brings a completely different vibe. Cobblestone feels classic and timeless, while flagstone gives off a natural, earthy look. Herringbone is great if you want something with a little more visual structure and personality. The best part is that these patterns can be combined or customized, so your patio ends up looking uniquely yours rather than something copied from a catalog. color is where stamped concrete really starts to shine. You're not limited to plain gray. You can choose from warm earth tones, cool slate grays, rich terracottas, or even bold charcoals. Contractors use integral color, stains, or surface-applied color hardeners to achieve a wide range of finishes. Many homeowners go with two-tone combinations that mimic the natural variation you'd see in real stone. Choosing the right color can completely change the mood of your outdoor space, making it feel cozy and warm or sleek and modern depending on your preference. So there you have it. Stamped concrete patios are stylish, durable, affordable, and endlessly customizable. Whether your style is rustic and natural or clean and contemporary, there's a stamped concrete design that fits perfectly. The key is working with a skilled contractor who understands how to bring your vision to life with the right pattern, color, and finish. If this video gave you some fresh inspiration, make sure to like it and subscribe to Decor Like Dream for more ideas that turn everyday spaces into dream-worthy ones. We'll see you in the next one.